Hello everyone, myself Pragna from Maharani Science College for Women's. Now I'm going to discuss about the topic virtualization. In this session, we will come to know about history of virtualization, introduction, need of virtualization types, and how does virtualization work in cloud computing, advantages and disadvantages. At last, we will conclude that what is the use of virtualization and why we are using that. Let us start. History of virtualization. The term virtualization was first introduced in 1960. However, because there were no personal computer in those days, virtualization did not become a reality until the late 1990s. IT company realized that they could save time and money by moving from a physical to a virtual platform. The core meaning of virtualization remains same: to enable computing environment to run multiple independent systems at the same time. Save your money by reducing number of servers consuming energy, and by costing less to purchase and maintain. Make management, control and inspection of virtual machines much easier than with the traditional servers. Give you a flexible environment for various tests and more. What do you mean by virtualization? Virtualization is the creation of virtual version of something such as server, a desktop, a storage device or an operating system or a network resource. The most simple example of virtualization are the partition that we create in the hard disk of our desktop PC or laptop. In other words, virtualization is a technique which allow you to share a single physical instance of a resource or an application among multiple customers and organization. It does by assigning a logical name to a physical storage and providing a pointer to the physical resource when demanded. How does virtualization work in cloud computing? Virtualization plays a very important role in cloud computing technology. Normally, in the cloud computing, user share the data present in cloud like applications, etc. But actually, with the help of virtualization, users share the infrastructure. The main usage of virtualization technology is to provide application with the standard versions to their cloud users. Suppose if the next version of the application is released, the cloud provider has to provide the latest version to their cloud user, and practically it is possible because it is more expensive. To overcome this problem, we can use a basically virtualization technology. By using virtualization, all servers and the software application which are required by other cloud providers are maintained by the third party, and cloud provider has to pay the money on monthly or annually basis. Advantages of virtualization: it reduced spending. For companies with fewer than 1000 employees, up to 40% of an IT budget is spent on hardware. Purchasing a multiple servers is often a good chunk of this cost. Virtualization requires fewer servers and extends the lifespan in existing hardware. This also means reduced energy costs. Easier backup and disaster recovery. Disasters are swift and unexpected. Virtualization makes recovery much faster and accurate with less manpower and a fraction of the equipment because it's all virtual. Better business continuity. Virtualization gives employee access to software files and communication anywhere they are, and enable multiple people to access the same information for more continuity. More efficient IT operations. IT virtualizations provides an easier route for technicians to install and maintain software, distributed updates, and maintain a more secure networks. It also helps in software licensing and also used for central location to manage all assets. The main disadvantages of the virtualizations are: it can have a high cost to implementation. The cost of average individual or business when virtualization is being considered will be quite low. It and also it creates a risk because data is crucial to the success of a business. It is targeted frequently. It requires several links in a chain that must work together cohesively. It takes time. It costs user time over the long run when compared to a local system. And last, we will conclude that mainly virtualization means running a multiple operating system on a single machines but sharing all the hardware resources. and it helps us to provide the pool of IT resources so that we can share the IT resources in order to get benefited in a business. Thank you.